Ex-boy band star Ritchie Neville is tending to the stove, which has been left to go out overnight. Rob has found a unique way of gathering kindling.
What?
Meanwhile, back at the farmhouse, while Stan tackles the washing up, Ritchie's attempts to get the stove going have got out of control.
I think we might have a slight smoke problem here.
Houston?
We have a fucking problem.
Fucking hell.
I know.
Is that normal, though?
I don't know. I've never done it before.
What have you put in? Wood?
Paper, wood, and then, like, a couple of bits of coal on the top. Like, about 4 or 5 pieces, if that. Small bits. There's obviously a fire burning, but there seems to be flames there.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
Ritchie is unaware the reason the stove is smoking is because the coal is damp. By adding more, he's making the problem worse.
Ritchie Neville and Stan Collymore died of smoke inhalation.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, come on!
Now the smoke's gone. Now
That's it. I'm fucking proud of that, mate. I got to get out of this, Stan, for 5 minutes.
Yeah, all right.
Fucking hell.
Ritchie's nan has not been well, and he's anxious to find out how she is. He's requested a phone call home to his girlfriend for some news.
Hello.
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
I miss you. I love you, and I miss you so much.
I miss you too, baby. I miss you so much too. Oh, it's so nice to hear your voice, man. So nice to hear your voice. I miss you. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm really, I'm not in a very good frame of mind today. I'm really overtired. I'm worried about my nan. Do you know anything about my nan?
She's absolutely fine. She's out of hospital.
She's out. Oh. Huh?
I can't tell you how much I miss you, baby.
Oh, I miss you too, darling. I really do.
You know, I love you so much. You're my baby.
Oh,
You're my soulmate, and I want to be with you forever.
Thank you so much. That was so wicked. I'm so happy. You've made my day. I'm a changed man. You've sorted my mood out. And I have to say, my girlfriend and I have kind of been doing the nesting thing, and we got a dog recently, and we got a cat, and now we got 2 goldfish. And I think then Margie read my palm the other day, and she was sort of saying, you know, that she seems to feel that kids will be on the agenda in 2 or 3 years. And it wouldn't surprise me. I'm going to sound like a right sissy now, but I don't care. I've got a lot of love to give. Yeah. I'm getting more and more ready for kids by the day, shall we say.
Everything is looking up for Ritchie, and even the stove has started to work, just in time for Vet John's arrival.
How are you?
Yeah, not bad.
Good. Have you been torching the place, Rich, or what?
A little bit.
John has brought 2 footballs with him for the inquisitive porkers to play with. They get bored easily and need to be kept stimulated.
What we don't want them to do is start eating them,
Right,
Rich,
okay.
so just keep an eye on them.
Yeah.
And as soon as they burst them, they'll have to come out. But it's just environmental enrichment. It's just something for them to play around. You know how inquisitive they are. And
What's that?
Hmm?
What's this? Shh.
they're constantly into stuff, wanting to play and wanting to mess around, aren't they? So it's just giving them something to distract themselves with.
It's like when you put the straw, they just get right in the way. They're like dogs as well, man. They just like bite it and like. Wicked.
See you later.
Go on, lads.
Sorry, mate.
No, thanks.
Hey up, love.
Hi, Margie.
How'd you get on?
Oh, I got upset out there.
Why? What's the matter?
I feel sick.
What did you do? Oh, it's nasty.
Oh, the dagging.
It's all gone into my hands. And you know, it take me out. It's killing me.
There?
I've had no food, have I?
Come here. I felt like this today as well.
A cup of tea.
Yeah?
Please, John.
How do you want
Please,
it?
Ritchie.
Sugar?
Yeah, 1 milk.
With her hands scrubbed, Margie explains to Ritchie the goings-on in the top field.
One of the sheep escaped out the pen, so half the flock went after with it. Ryan started getting really agitated and told us to go after it. And I knew what Rob was trying to do. Rob wasn't clowning around. He was trying to get ahead of the sheep to drive them back again. And he took off on them.
What, Ryan did? Really?
Yeah.
Fully lost it?
Well, I think he did.
Yeah.
And I was trying to defend Rob, because I can't help that if I see someone. And I knew that he hadn't done it.
An injustice sort of thing.
Yeah, because I knew he hadn't done it on purpose. And so he's going to be, don't you be getting involved with it. You stay out of it. It's nothing to do with you.
What, Ryan said this?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
It was, honestly.
Yeah. Welcome to the farm's first Farmyard Olympics. Hey! This is all for fun. Please, I don't want anybody hurt at the end of this.
First up, it's the sack race relay.
Team captains, are we ready?
Yes!
Yeah! Rob, are you ready?
Yes!
On your marks.
Let's get practicing.
Get set. Go!
Hold it up, quick, alright?
Go, go, go!
Right, no, that's not over, Debbie, that's not over. You've got to go back. That wasn't over the middle.
I'm sorry.
Go, Rebecca! Come on, Tony, come on, come on! Come on, Margie!
Go on, Margie! Oh, good effort, Margie.
Come on, move!
Something well easy.
Come on!
They're not making me laugh. Rob, if it's any consolation, one of the sights I never thought I'd see.
Yeah! Robbie's on ya! Robbie's on ya!
Rob soon wins that.
Rob's team have proved they're good in the sack. Rob 1, Debbie 0. Next up is egg throwing. The objective is to catch an egg without breaking it.
Oh, Stifler!
Stop. Okay, stand still.
Why are you throwing it so far?
At least the mouth throws that distance. You're right.
Oh, shh.
What are you doing? Like that, you're going like that, no one's going to break.
Debbie's team break the most eggs, leaving Rob the winner.
This is your moment of glory, isn't it?
It's 2-0 to Rob, but there's still 2 events to come. The farmhands are competing in the Farmyard Olympics and the third event, Hopping Tommy. A game of skill, pushing and, well, hopping is reaching its nail-biting conclusion.
That's one to Margie.
Margie wins and gets the team's first point. It's Rob 2, Debbie 1. Next up is tug of war.
The winning team is the team that gets this red ribbon over their line.
Okay.
Okay? Take the strain. Okay.
Got it?
Go! Heave!
Come on!
Heave!
Come on!
Heave! Heave!
Heave! 1, 2, 3, heave! 1, 2, 3, heave!
Heave!
1, 2, 3, heave!
With a win in the tug of war, Debbie's team level the scores at 2-all. Time for the decider, the wheelbarrow race.
Hold
This
on.
is the finish line
Yeah.
here. On your marks,
On your
legs
marks.
come up,
Yeah.
get set, and then I'll set you going.
Come on, Ritchie!
Ready? Go!
Go! Come
Rob and teammates Rebecca, Jeff and Terry are victorious.
Some things I never thought I'd see in life.
Again, I thought, oh, this is harder than I thought. Bex, off me.
You kick quite well for a girl, you know.
Ah, thank you.
Let's see if you've learned anything.
Learned quite a bit, thank you very much.
You're going to tackle me?
Margie, fucking hell.
touch.
Thunder thighs.
Right, this time you only allowed one touch.
One touch.
All right, we'll do it a different way. You must have two.
So you can stop and then kick.
Yeah, but you got to do it quick. She's going to get the ball off you. Ready?
Okay. Oh, fuck.
Unlucky.
Unlucky. That's not bad, Rebecca, to be fair. You've learnt something.
Should we go for a basic style, as in have as many touches as you like or something?
I've got to
No,
lock
because
up.
that's too hard.
Flo, can you just lose me for 1
touch.
sec?
Oh, you can't do it now.
That's it. See, just a pass inside. Get him in. Come on,
Get in the
come
middle.
on.
Newcomer
No,
in
no,
the
you
middle.
haven't. Get
Newcomer in the middle.
Manchester
Two touch.
United.
Two touch.
Suck him in.
Yep.
Margie, I tell you what.
Yeah, she's good, isn't she?
Way up.
Go on.
Yes,
Margie.
Margie! Come on, you red man! Terry Christian gets mullered by Margie Clark.
I've just got it off him.
I'm going to go and get some water.
I'm going to watch. I know we should do that. Definitely, you get proper...
Thanks for the lesson, Stan.
Yeah, cheers,
Hey, it's all right,
Stan.
my love. Why does the dog lick its balls?
I don't know why. There's a dog.
Because it can. And what's the moral of the story?
Lick your balls if you can.
Would you lick your balls if you could?
All day.
Would you?
No.
Would you give yourself a nosh if you could?
I wouldn't swallow.
Would you come in your own mouth?
You're right, Jeff.
It's been a rollercoaster week, but for one of you, the ride is well and truly over. Jeff, Stan, Ritchie, you're all staying. It's an early morning again tomorrow. You're back to mucking out. You're supposed to be happy, Stan.
Tom,
OK, therefore,